Hi friends, in this video I am going to unbox MI 360 degree home security camera 2K Pro. This camera has 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz dual band Wi-Fi. It has AI motion detection and infrared night vision. This package includes one MI 360 degree home security camera 2K Pro, one power adapter, one charging cable, one wall mounting kit and a user manual. Let me unbox this CCTV camera. We have to download and install MI Home app in mobile phone to configure this CCTV camera. We also need a Wi-Fi router to configure this camera using phone. Configuration is very easy. First we need to reset the camera using a pin. Then open MI Home app, then tap on the Add Device button on the top right corner, then select Add Device manually. Then we need to select our Wi-Fi, then enter the Wi-Fi password. Then it will ask us to enter a password. That password we need to enter in the prompt. Done. That way we can complete the configuration. This is a MI security camera, and here we can see mic and speaker, and this is the camera. Here we can see one mic and memory card slot, and this is the USB charging port, and this is a reset button. Okay, please check my channel. There you would be able to find more videos about how to use this MI 360 degree home security camera 2K Pro. Okay, please try this.